Welcome to Soft Smart. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We are come to solve a problem in political science. And the question says, why do countries adopt the aristocratic system of government? The aristocratic system of government. So let me write the question. Why do countries So this is the question, that why do countries or some countries adapt the aristocratic system of government? So this is the answer to this type of question, that the aristocratic system of government is ruled by a small elite group whose power is inherited through family ties, property ownership, or wealth. And to look at some of the characteristics, of an aristocratic system. They have a system that they follow, and some of the characteristics are, you can say one is limited political participation. So to say this, or we can say this, is because in an aristocratic system, political power is concentrated in the hands of a few, or of a few people, with limited participation from broader population. And also, decision making is typically restricted to the aristocratic elite. So number two, we'll say economic influence. Economic influence also affects the aristocratic system of government. That the aristocratic system of government usually have insignificant economic power, owing substantial resources and businesses, which further solidifies their political dominance. And number three, we can say exclusive education and training. Exclusive education and training. And this is because members of the aristocracy often receive exclusive education and training in governance, diplomacy, and leadership, and reinforcing their suitability for rule. Number four, we will say land ownership. Land ownership That historically, aristocrats were large landowners who derived power and wealth from their estate. Control over land often translated into political and also social influence. And lastly, or the last point, we will say institutional support. And this is because the aristocratic system are often supported by institutional structures such as monarchies and also noble titles and legislative bodies for this elite. So in conclusion, we will say aristocracy is a rule by hereditary elite with economic and political power, often maintaining stability through tradition, which resisting change due to vested interest. So these are some of the characteristics. Of the aristocratic system of government. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.